and effective leadership skills. And this workshop has completely lived up to every bit of the expectation that I had. For me in particular, the key areas of learning have been to use the pause, the pace, and the effective communication skills. It has always been that I have felt comfortable with the language, so I have been speaking in a way that is a little faster than what it really should be. So here I have tried a lot with every session that I've come up and spoken. I have tried that I speak at a pace where it is understood by everybody and it suits the occasion in particular. The activities have been very, very engaging and they have been a lot of fun. The basic elements of the communication and leadership have been taken care of, which is amazing. I have stepped out of my comfort zone a couple of times over here. In particular, I'm a very soft person in terms of interacting with other people. So for me, reprimanding anyone, going stern with anyone is very difficult. So those exercises which Sir pushed me to do have really helped me and would obviously help me later on also. And in the morning also, I had full conviction that I cannot do a Hitler at all. I stood there completely embarrassed, but I pulled through somehow, thanks for the encouragement. And communication is very essential, and I have a lot to take back home from this experience. And what would be icing on the cake is if I get an individual feedback later on at the end of the session.
Each one will get the feedback. Now let's try somebody, but each one has to take the feedback.
Yeah.
Individual.
Right, so that's going to be great, and I hope to communicate better and smarter. Thank you.